Make the strings louder.
What's up, guys? I'm Trevor, this is MotionAutoTv, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a burnout with a manual car. Alright, so this is a 1999 BMW 323i. It has a 2.5 liter inline six, manual transmission, locked differential, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys a couple of the steps that you need to do to, I guess, make sure that your car isn't going to like turn off on you when you try to do it, and then a couple techniques with the brake and the clutch and the gas and all that stuff. So I guess let's hop in and see what she does. And yeah, so right here in this BMW, obviously I hope you guys already know how to drive a manual. Right here, see this ASC button? That will turn off this light right there in the dash. That basically means traction control is on or off. We're good. Alright, so the first technique you can do is basically put it in, and then basically what you're gonna do is just dump the clutch and give it gas, like a lot of gas, like basically like you're gonna launch the car and then just jump right on the brake with your left foot, and then that'll be the start of your burnout. The other technique I'm gonna say, it's a little bit difficult to do on this actual car because this foot pedal is hinged on the floor, but in my 240 I could basically kind of start it off and do like a heel toe thing and then do that. But so I'll do the first thing, and that's basically just revving it up and dumping the clutch. Traction control is back off. Basically first gear, just rev it up. So that's how you do one of those burn offs. It actually made a decent amount of smoke.
Yeah, those tires like smoke.
Yeah. Alright, so then the second technique, if I could, so when you are doing the burnout, you don't want to just completely punch and like push the brake super hard. You basically just kind of like rest your foot on the brake and make sure that you have enough pressure to hold the car back without it actually rolling forward, but you're not slowing the car down. And I could, I'll show you that here in a second, but I'm going to try this other technique, which is basically heel towing, and it's kind of difficult to do, especially with this hinged floor setup, because you really have to make sure that the brakes are applied enough to hold you back, but not enough to where you won't even be able to do it. It kind of works better in a turbo car where you kind of overcome with power.
I don't think you have enough powers.
Yeah, I don't think this one does have enough power. Like my
And I killed it. Yeah, I don't think this one does have enough power. Like my 240, I could do it easily. Alright, so we'll do another burnout with basically, and I'll show you guys what happens if I stab the brakes. It'll basically kill the car. And then, yeah, so here we go again. Oh, traction control turned back on. See, that's me stabbing the brakes, and then you basically let off.
Okay, so I guess since the technique of like doing the heel toe thing doesn't really work because this car doesn't have enough power to do that, and to kind of overcome it, it works really good on like turbo cars. Turbo cars are like V8 cars where they have a lot of power. This thing almost barely has enough power to do its burnout by itself. But I figured I might as well show you guys how to do a donut. So this car does have a welded diff, so your car does need a limited slip differential or a welded differential. Obviously make sure your traction control is off, but you kind of start that same thing as you do the burnout. So you kind of clutch kick it, get it doing. You can either go around in a circle and slowly increase throttle until the tail end of it kind of kicks out, or you could basically kind of stop first I'm just going to increase throttle. Needs more power. All right, clutch kick. Apply a little bit of foot brake. So the clutch kick works a little bit better for low power cars. If you guys had like a V8 or something like that, you'd almost just give it gas. But basically, as you're doing the donut, kind of turn in. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in for this like quick little like how-to. I don't know. I just figured a lot of people, even one of my drifter buddies, he doesn't know how to do a burnout, and kind of asked me the other day. So anyhow, I figured this would be kind of informative. But again, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you later.
Do it like you did the first time.